Hey guys, my name is Prathamesh and welcome back to the Deep Insight Review, where I give you my honest reviews. Today, we are checking out a brand new AI voiceover tool that I've been testing for the past 4 days, and I have to say, this feels like a next generation tool. It's called SoundSoReal. So, what is a SoundSoReal? It's a voiceover software built on Synthesia technology, but with the more features and no monthly fees. Honestly, even better than the original. With SoundSoReal, you can create real human-like voices just from prompt, or even copy the style of any actor's voices without the robotic feel. You can also add emotion, adjust tones, and even clone your own voice in just 10 seconds. In fact, it's the world's first AI voice designer that lets you create, clone, and direct unlimited voices like never before. You can design voices from scratch using prompt, cinematic, whisperer, commanding, you name it. The voices can even be translated into different languages while keeping the same flow and the emotion. Or you can copy any actor's voices you want. And there is even more can do. And here are some voices that this tool created.
Hey everyone, glad you're here. Have you ever noticed how every language carries its own rhythm, its own way of seeing the world? From the tones of Mandarin to the melodies of Spanish and the depth of Arabic, languages are more than words. They're cultures, traditions, and connections. Right now, as our world becomes more connected, language diversity is shaping how we work, learn, and even build friendships. And the more we celebrate these voices, the closer we get to understanding each other.
Hey there, folks. What's up, Doc? I was just hopping through, minding my own business, when I thought, a carrot would really hit the spot right about now. You know how it is. A rabbit's gotta eat. So, what are you all up to today? Anything exciting?
Parenting is wild. One minute you're teaching ABCs, the next you're answering questions about the universe.
Oh, yes. Like when my son asked me why the sky doesn't fall down. I had no idea, but I loved his curiosity.
That's the magic, right? Kids remind us to see the world with wonder. Their questions keep us learning too.
Absolutely. And it's not a
As you can hear, the results are really impressive. So now, let's jump into the features and see what makes SoundSoReal so powerful. First one, 100% unique voices designed from prompts. So you can create voices completely from scratch just by typing. Second, simple voice cloning. It's super easy to clone your own voice in just a few clicks. Third, full control over tone, style, and emotion. You can give instruction and the direction, the voice just like the professional actor. Fourth, professional results at the fraction of the cost. No studio fees, no recovering, no subscription, just one-time access to everything. Now, let's talk about pricing and the bonus I am offering. SoundSoReal comes at the very affordable price, much lower than the most AI tools out there. And the best part is, you get all the features unlocked with no monthly fees. And if you decide to grab it through my link in the description, I'll give you my special bonuses completely free. This isn't just a random stuff. It's a fully bundle worth of $44,000 inside. You get resources and training of affiliate marketing, Facebook and Instagram marketing, YouTube automation, making money with the Faceless video, and digital marketing course, and much more. Plus, you're fully covered with 50 days money back guarantee. So if you are not happy for any reason, you can get full refunded. All this included just for grabbing SoundSoReal through my link. So, if you want to know more about the SoundSoReal, please check out this demo. So you will get the knowledge that how you can create the video with audio with SoundSoReal.
Hello everyone, in this video, I will walk you through the new AI Voices interface. As you can see on the left side, we have 5 tabs which represents the different functions of the new AI Voices. The most impactful addition is our new custom voice designer. With this feature, you can generate virtually any voice type simply by inputting descriptive characteristics. In order to do that, just go to the right side of the screen and you will see here Create or Design a Voice button. So click on that button and a new window will appear. So you do have here the option to create a new voice by voice design, or you also have the option to clone your voice using the 2.5 model or version 2 model. These are the versions of the voice cloning we had on Synthesis through the years. Okay, so to create a new voice using a voice design, click on this option, and then you will be asked to enter a prompt. So you have to describe what the voice should sound like. So I have here a sample prompt. Okay, and then for the text to preview, you need to enter a sentence for your generated voice to say. Remember, punctuation is important. Also, the sentence must be 100 characters or more, not less. Okay, so I have here a sample text. Now let's click on Generate Sample. Okay, now let's play the voice sample.
Hey, I'm Chris, and I help businesses grow through smart SEO, custom web design, and high-performing digital ads. If you're ready to get found online and turn clicks into customers, let's chat.
Okay, perfect. Now you will have to enter a voice name and enter a voice description as well. So for this example, I would just like to enter here male professional as the voice name. And for the description, you can enter any. So for this one, it's friendly, confident, and professional male voice. Now we're ready to save the voice. Okay, so you will be directed to the text-to-speech tab after you have created a voice. But let's go back to voices and let's try creating a voice using the instant voice clone. Again, you have the option to choose between two models. It's just the model that we have with Synthesis through the years. Okay, so you can clone your voice with only 10 seconds of audio. Now let's try this version 2.5 model and enter a voice name for your cloned voice. So let's say my custom voice. And then you have to choose the language. So for this one, I am choosing English American and upload your audio. Okay, so I have here my voice recording. It should be in MP3 or WAV format. And click on Accept Terms. And then Create Voice. Okay, so again, you'll be directed to the Text-to-Speech tab. But let's go back to Voices. And here under My Voices, you will see all the voice that you have created, whether using voice design or using voice cloning. So here, the most recent voices that I have created, you will see here the male professional using voice design and my custom voice using the voice cloning function. Also, you can mark voices as your favorite by clicking the heart icon on the right. So let's say, for example, I want to mark this as favorite. So just click on the heart icon and it will be marked as your favorite voices. Okay, now let's go to text-to-speech. Okay, for text-to-speech, you can create a voiceover by entering your script or your text. And on the right side, you will see the different settings. And the settings differ on the model that you will be using. So we do have here Synthesis version 3, version 2.5, and version 2. So as I have mentioned a while ago, the different versions are the versions that we had on Synthesis through the years. So the version 3 is the most recent or the current version. And this allows you to enter acting instructions for your voice. So it is more personalized according to your liking. We also do have here a creativity slider. So it adds a little bit of creativity to the acting instruction. So you can play around a bit with it and choose the audio that suits to your liking. Well, for version 2, we do have here selection of the voice, also language booster. This will be more beneficial if you are using non-English script. So you can choose, let's say, for example, you have a Spanish script. So the language booster boosts fluency, reinforces vocabulary, and adapts to native accents for a more immersive experience. We do also have here a field for emotion. So you can choose from the available options like angry, happy, sad, calm, and fearful. Okay, and you can also adjust the pitch and speed. Now, for Synthesis version 2, this is the most basic version that we had with Synthesis. So you can choose a voice, and then another setting would be for speed. So that's it. So now let's try the version 3, which is the latest version for Synthesis AI voices. So for version 3, I am going to enter here a script. So let's say, for example, I want to create a voiceover using the script, and I want to use my created voice. So click on voice design and click the name of the voice that you have just created. And then for acting instructions, you can enter according to your requirements, according to your needs. So for example, I want it to be upbeat and enthusiastic, but sincere. Imagine you are genuinely excited to share a great opportunity. Avoid sounding too salesy or exaggerated. Keep it warm and inviting. Okay, and for creativity, let's just maintain it to a level 1. Okay, now let's generate speech. Okay, now the voiceover has been generated. Let's play the audio.
Discover your dream home in Brisbane. This stunning 3-bedroom offers modern design, spacious living, and top amenities. Perfect for families or investors. Don't miss out. Schedule a tour today. Call Morgan at 1-800-123-456 now.
Okay, now here on the bottom right part of the dashboard, you will see here the duration of the audio. So for this particular script, it took 16 seconds. Okay, so on the right side, you will see 2 tabs. First is settings and history. So the history tab will display all the audios that you have created per feature. So for example, you are in the text-to-speech tab. All your projects for text-to-speech will be displayed under the history tab. So you can listen to it by clicking the play button. You can also download the voiceover using the download icon on the right. Okay, now let's go to voice changer. So this feature allows you to change the voice of an audio. So the file supported is MP3 and the maximum size is 50 MB. Now let's try to upload an audio file. I have here a sample male voice audio. Let's listen to it.
Listen up, team. We've got a deadline to meet, and we're not slowing down. Let's push through this final stretch with determination and focus. Together, we'll deliver results that speak for themselves. Are you with me?
Okay, now I want to change the voice into this voice named Sweet Lady. You can listen to the sample preview of the voices by clicking the play button on the right side, corresponding the voice that you want to listen to. So for illustration, I want this Sweet Lady's voice, and let's generate the speech.
Listen up, team. We've got a deadline to meet, and we're not slowing down. Let's push through this final stretch with determination and focus. Together, will deliver results that speak for themselves. Are you with me?
Okay, great. Now let's go to multi-person. So this feature allows you to create a dialogue between two speakers. So on the right side, you will see the settings tab and the history tab. So under settings, you have a field for acting instructions. You have this speaker number 1 and speaker number 2. So for acting instructions, let's say I want to enter this instructions. And then for speaker number 1, you can choose from several options. You can listen to each voice by clicking the play button on the right. So for illustration, I want to use, let's say, this Penis voice, okay? And for speaker number 2, I want to use Sharon's voice. Now for creativity, let's just maintain it for to level 1. And for the script, I have here a sample script. Okay, this is for speaker number 1 and this is speaker number 2. Okay, now if you have longer dialogue, you just click on add dialogue here and then enter your script. And now let's generate speech. Okay, now the audio has been generated. Let's play it.
Okay, this is the place I was telling you about. Brew and Bloom. Isn't it cute?
Cute. This place looks straight out of a Pinterest board. Is that a swing inside the cafe?
Yup, and the barista wears suspenders. This place is trying so hard to be aesthetic, and I kind of love it.
Okay, perfect. So again, you can go to History tab to listen to the audio again or download the audio. You can also do it on the bottom part of the screen. Now let's go to dubbing. So this feature allows you to translate an audio into another language. So let's upload a sample audio, which I used in the voice changer feature. And for the language, for detect language, select the original language. And for this particular example, I'm going to select English American. And for the target language, you can choose from the available options. So for this one, I would like to translate it to Spanish. You will see here that this translated script will appear. So you can edit this according to your liking or according to your need. Now let's generate the speech. Okay, now let's listen to the audio.
Escuchad, equipo. Tenemos un plazo que cumplir y no vamos a bajar el ritmo. Superemos esta recta final con determinación y concentración. Juntos, obtendremos resultados que hablarán por sí solos. ¿Me siguen?
Okay, so again, you can go to History tab to see all the projects that you have created under dubbing. Okay, so that's it. I hope you like the new interface of AI voices. Thank you.